This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Jim Harbor. This all brick and stone Lake Estrella home boasts great views from the living, dining and kitchen areas. Side-load garage with ample turnaround room to avoid backing out of the driveway. Low-maintenance landscaping. Seawall and swim dock. The interior features an open floor plan, quartz countertops, luxury vinyl plank and tile floors. No carpet. Primary bath has double vanity, large walk-in shower, built-in storage drawers, linen cabinet and walk-in closet. Guest bedroom has full bath. Entry hall from garage has more storage cabinets, wine cooler and a pantry. Partially covered deck provides for outdoor relaxation with a cable railing system to maximize the lake view. All kitchen appliances and washer/dryer convey. No seller property disclosure available. For showing instructions, see agent remarks. For more information.